Good evening, everyone. It is Friday, the 6th of June, 2025. There's the sunset. It is 23 degrees right now. It is 9 o'clock. This bird is going nuts. I don't know what it is, but it's high on something. The hockey game is crazy. They're going into the second overtime period right now. Hopefully Edmonton wins. X marks the spot. There's the moon. And yeah, 23 degrees on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. Friday. It is a beautiful evening, a little breezy, but it is great. Take care, stay safe. Let's go Oilers. And peace out.